Headlamp removal procedure. Park the vehicle in center stand. Turn the kill switch to off position and switch off the ignition key. Use 4mm Allen key to remove the headlamp mounting bolts M5 into 12, 2 numbers. Carefully disengage the headlamp by sliding it from the adjuster screw. Disconnect the headlamp wire coupler. Headlamp refitment procedure. Connect the headlamp wire coupler and properly seat the headlamp in its position. Assemble the headlamp by engaging it to the adjuster screw. Use 4mm Allen key to tighten the bolts M5 into 12, 2 numbers, on both sides and apply torque of 3 Nm.